Hey, what's up everyone? BitMeSun back with another Bitcoin video. So currently right now I'm on the Bitcoin 4-hour time frame. Today's video we're just going to go over a few different charts, see if a few different patterns possibly that could be forming, and we'll definitely look at some price targets also. So let's just jump right into it right now. This right here is the 4-hour time frame. If you guys can notice, we are definitely still in this falling wedge that we've been following for the last few days, or about a week or so, or if not 2 weeks. But yeah, this is kind of the pattern that's forming, and if you notice, we did make it all the way back to the top of here. So I'm guessing if we break this blue box right here, our next target could be just somewhere down here in this bottom section of that before we possibly go back up. So the thing is this is technically a new high, because if we were going down still, we would still be like that. So if you notice, we broke above it to create this now. So now this is going to be the new pattern until we break that. So I mean, like I said, that's kind of the idea of it right now. So yeah, we did break this little structure, so that's actually helped out. But yeah, that's kind of current price right now is 38,847. We need to stay above 38,500. Yeah, so if we stay above 38,500, then that means we could still be pushing up. But once we break this 38,450 area, then that'll probably let us know we're coming down a little bit, because that'll be the break of this structure, this like the little ladder going up, it'll be broken. So but yeah, so that's for that. This is on the 4-hour. This was kind of, if you guys noticed, the little possible, let's see, well, a bull flag type of thing, but this one is coming from the top. But the thing is, this one's not going up either. This one's, it's going down, if you notice the bottom left area. So like I said, it's, this is coming down, but it's also coming from up here, from, it's coming down also. So you know, this could be also a continuation, or this could be the possible break up, the reverse. It's almost like a double bottom there. I wonder if I could, if I had a different one. 1 day, that's a day. 4-hour, 1 day. Okay, so this is the 1 hour. So let me move a few of these boxes real quick. So as you guys can see, we did get rejected. It looks, well, we made it right above this 50 line, but this is where we got pretty much rejected at, was at our 61.8 area. So like I said, well, we didn't touch it technically, but we didn't make it up there either, so that kind of let us know we're coming down. But then we did get a bounce back off of this bottom one right here. This is the 23 area, so we got that bounce there. And this, oh man, I got, it's just a Fibonacci chart. But so let me see, can we come from right here back down to the bottom? So this line also, if you notice, like that's the line that we were working down. We did break back above it, so this could be the retest to come back up to that. I mean, we did technically go back up to there, but like I said, we just need to keep working our way up. Once we start breaking these lines coming downwards, then it's then we gotta give it a retest and come down, give it this to retest. It's kind of that type of thing. But we could just come down to here for the retest, up. Now we go like that. But we're still technically in an uptrend if you want to think about it like that. So yeah, this is the uptrend that's still technically going up. But that's on the 1 hour. So that's, yeah. All right, yeah, so now this is just the chart that I kind of made just to give me a few key resistance and supports. So as you can see, we did get this bounce here, came above, came another bounce. So it's like I said, our next option is going to be somewhere up to where these two lines are at. So we're going to have that support there, and then we're going to have this support there. So once we break one of these areas, and then this too. So the thing is whichever way we break, if we come here and break down, then yeah, we're going confirming lower. But if we catch the bounce here, then this is where we could possibly moving up. But I mean, this low price is 37,000, so I mean, it could possibly even go down to 37,000. So I just want to like kind of zoom. This is on the daily also. Let me check the 4 hour. This is the 4 hour. So this is the pretty much the lines that are going to, this is just a trend line that I put there. But if you notice, we also have one down here. Ooh, we have this one down here. So that's creating a like a pennant kind of a thing. So like I said, if we get getting rejected from up here, our next option is going to be to get a bounce from down here. So if we break 38,500, then my next goal or so will be somewhere around this 37,000. Let's see, 37,900. So if we stay above 37,900, I think that's where we could be getting this bounce at. Will be somewhere like right, you know, around this area. Yeah, 37,900 is probably where we would get this bounce. But the thing is the way it is, for if it does go up, what they're going to do is watch out for this, where they're going to come down to here, maybe send it just a little bit lower to clear out some stop losses just to before we bring it back up type of thing. So like I said, if just watch out for the stop loss hunt, like kind of like these guys right here. Like if you notice, it goes down, this one went down a little bit. It's not too much, it doesn't need too much, but if it could clear out a few if it could stop hunt a few people, then that's probably what they'll do. So just like I said, watch out for that. It'll probably send a wick down, but if you also notice, these wicks are going smaller and smaller. So I mean, if you think about it, it could just possibly even come up to that. So like I said, I mean, then that's the case too. So I think if anything, it'll be the body will stop at this line and the candle will be the one that goes underneath. But yeah, so that's kind of what my idea is for that. Sorry about that. So current price right now is 38,800. So we definitely need to keep pushing up just to hopefully get past this. Let's see where this is at. 39,200. So we need to start pushing above 39,200 for us to start pushing up. Alright, so this was that chart that I was making that was kind of telling me the area where we should be reaching. But if it doesn't reach now, I just think it's going to take a little bit more time. But because this is it literally started from here, went all the way up, came back to where we started at, and it's stuck there. So the thing is this white line was my goal of target area. So the fact that it's not really getting there yet, I'm not sure of why, but yeah. So I mean, like, this is the thing too. Okay, so if you guys notice, this was the we're kind of resistance, then we broke above it, then support, turned it into support, came above support, then we came underneath it, kind of broke above, but then resistance. So now we're actually fighting to break resistance, meaning we need more, there's more selling pressure as of now compared to buying, for the reason that, like I said, we're under this trend. So now for us to push up, we got rejected and we came down. So let me see. Oh no, that's not a double bottom. Almost a double bottom. But I mean, it's kind of, so yeah, if we break this white line coming in at 39,800, yeah, if we break 39,890 ish, so pretty much 38,900, then that's going to confirm. So what I'm going to do is put an alert. I'm going to put an alert for 39,900. If we break above that and then we come back down and give it a retest, and it's confirming this move up. But like I said, I had until May 6th for this price to come into play, but we're going to see what happens in the next few days and things like that. So let me check a quick 15-minute chart. I just want to check a 15-minute chart just for the reason, just to see where this movement is going. You know, let's say we see something in the 15-minute that we don't see on a bigger. So as you guys can see, for us to be moving up, we had to break above this yellow. There's a lot of stuff here, but like I said, we're working our way down, and then we did break it. So now this is kind of the consolidation area of, and if you notice, look how much consolidating we have right here. So this is going to be a big area that we need to either break, or like I said, once we get above this yellow line, then it's off to the races. But I've been thinking, okay, it's going to happen today, but then it kind of fakes it and then cools off, and then it's like back and forth kind of, you know. So let's just keep pushing up. Current price right now is 38,736, so we definitely need to keep pushing up. So but yeah, like I was saying, in this chart, this is the 4-hour chart. So as long as we, like I said, broke above this and then we came down to retest, I think we still have this chance of making it up to this top. So if we could make it up to the top of this, I could imagine what we could be doing. It's 39,000 ish. Yeah, so we still need to make it up to 39,600 ish. Let me check the RSI real quick. The RSI, oh, all right, I think it might have started, to be honest. I know I said this yesterday, but if you guys notice, I'm putting this 50 line. For anybody who's been watching me since the beginning, you guys are definitely familiar with this 50 line. So you guys know I like my 50 line. I like my 50 line because it lets me know exactly where I'm at. Because like I said, if I have it at 49, then I don't know if I'm directly in the middle or not. And the reason why it's important to know exactly where your 50 line is at is because All right, 50. There we go. All right. So what the 50 line does, it tells me exactly where the middle is at. Because there's a line for, if you know, for RSIs, there's two lines. Here's one here at the top, and then there's also one here at the bottom. The top one is 70, the bottom one is 30, and the middle one that I make myself is 50. What the 50 tells me is that if we're above the 50 line, as you can see, we crossed above it, meaning we're on an uptrend now. So an uptrend means we're going up. So like I said, that's why, if you guys kind of notice from these charts, everything is kind of working its way up now, you know. So I mean, that little is telling me that movement is what it's kind of telling me, you know what I mean. So this RSI is confirming this move up. So the fact that we moved up, the thing is now that we're on this RSI around the 50 area, what we're going to have to do is hit this line on 50 and then bounce back up to confirm that move that we're still moving up. So like I said, as long as we're still moving up, as long as we're doing that, that's a good sign. If you guys remember in yesterday's video, we were also creating a bullish divergence, and then this bullish divergence is exactly what popped up after that. If you guys remember, I made the Pac-Man. I don't know if that's why it's important you guys watch the Bitcoin videos also, because sometimes you guys watch all of the videos, because sometimes I'll say something in one video that I don't say in the other and things like that. So just make sure you keep up to date. And if you guys made it this far already into the video, make sure you like and subscribe. That will really help out. Please like and subscribe. That's all I can say. Thank you guys for all watching. That's pretty much all I got so far. This RSI is working its way up. We did cross right here also, so that's also confirming that. So it's definitely looking like we're moving up a little bit. We just have to continue moving up. So as long as we could touch this 39,500 area, then I think we could be moving back up. So yeah, just put an alert for that, and that's what I would do. All right, let me just give a few price targets then, just so I know I did them. I don't think I did any for this. Yeah, I did it. All right, so let me see. So current price right now is 38,760. So we need to stay above 38,665. So if we stay above 38,665, then we can still be moving up. But if we break that one, the next one we can't break is 38,469. So if we break that one, then the next big dump will be all the way down to this area around 37,800. And this is my thing, is that I think if we break this, so we're working our way up right now. So as long as we come back down here and we keep going up, technically we're still in an uptrend. So it's once we break this line right here, give it a retest, then we're confirming that we're moving back down to this. So that's kind of my idea. And if we start moving upwards, then we're going to have to start breaking this area at 39,000. So if we could break back into the 39,000, then we're definitely pumping back up to this 39,600 area. But yeah, so that's just what I got so far for Bitcoin. If you guys like that video, make sure you like and subscribe for me. I thank you guys for all watching this far into the video. May 5th is my day that I'm supposed to be, or May 6th. So as late as May 6th, as early as May 5th. So I would definitely keep an eye out for those days. But it's saying we could be showing up to about, like I said, 46,000 at least. But if it doesn't happen in these few days, then I think it could even just happen a little bit after that also. But it's going to depend what we hit on this line. If we hit green on this line, then it's going to confirm everything I've been saying, that we're going to continue going up. But if we hit red on here, then yeah, then that's the top, wherever we're at on May 3rd. Or May 5th, I mean, sorry. But yeah, I would keep watching out for that. But yeah, that's kind of what I got. So I appreciate everybody watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.